Language is the identity of any clan or social traditional group, hence should be taught to children in their early stage of life so it becomes a part of them. These were the consensus views of attendance at the official launch and presentation of books titled Nghọta na Mmụta Asụsụ Igbo, written by Chinenye Bob Madumere. Chika Ugu reports that the books are written in Igbo language for children in primaries 1 to 6.
Nghọta na Mmụta Asụsụ Igbo, meaning understanding and learning Igbo language, is a book to promote the Igbo tradition and culture, which is gradually going into extinction. According to the chairman of the occasion, the initiative is to catch them young and ensure that children from a tender age begin to learn the Igbo language, as it has different stages of development of a child from primary 1 to 6.
This lady has been able to introduce new concepts into the development of our local language. Apart from the pictorial representation of several views, she has been able to add some of our wise sayings in a manner that the children can understand.
Reviewer of the books, although noted that the books were written using the primary school curriculum, he, however, explained that the book is more explanatory as they are embellished with songs, drawings for proper illustration, and to attract the children's attention. They also capture tenses, dates, days of the week, notable heroes from the East, time, and proper word pronunciations in Igbo dialects. The author of Nghọta na Mmụta Asụsụ Igbo explained that her zeal to promote Igbo language and make learning the Igbo language fun for children was what prompted the initiative.
I discovered my children couldn't speak Igbo language, despite the fact that I tried speaking Igbo to them, but they weren't speaking.
High point of the event was the formal unveiling of the books, officiated by John Nyawodo. High point of the event was the formal unveiling of the books, officiated by John Nyawodo. It was all-round praise singing by those who had read the books, as they hoped that the books would be accepted in primary schools to promote the Igbo tradition and language. In Enugu, Chika Ugu, NTA News.